अस्सलामु अलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न नंबर from 1 to 10. Are you ready?
Yes.
If you are ready, so repeat after me. 1.
1.
How many kids are there?
1.
2.
2.
How many kids are there?
2.
The number is 2. 3.
3.
How many kids are there?
3.
4.
4.
How many kids are there?
4.
4 kids with number 4. 5.
5.
How many kids are with number 5?
5.
Very good. 6.
6.
How many kids are there?
6.
6. 7.
7.
How many kids are there?
7.
7. 8.
8.
How many kids with number 8?
8.
9.
9.
How many kids are there?
9.
How many kids are there?
10.
10 kids with number 10. So we will revise it. 1.
1.
2.
2.
3.
3.
4. 4. 5.
5.
6.
6.
7.
7.
8.
8.
9.
9.
10.
10.
Very good, kids. Repeat and learn the numbers from 1 to 10. We will meet in next video. So goodbye. Thanks for watching.